We've just updated Q, our AI GIS assistant, with an ability to answer more complicated requests by creating itself a plan that it then follows. Let me show you what I mean. Say I want to figure out how many coffee shops are inside San Francisco's Golden Gate Park with just a base map open. I could say, how many coffee shops are inside Golden Gate Park? Q will then read this request and figure out what needs to be done to answer the question. So it knows it first needs the park boundaries, then it needs the coffee shop locations, and then it needs to find the intersection between these two. So it gets leisure equals park, and name is Golden Gate Park, then amenity equals cafe, and then it finds the intersection. With this, it finds that there are two coffee shops that intersect between the coffee shop and park data. And this can handle any type of request where it would make more sense to handle the request in some sort of order rather than just doing a single request. If you want to try this out, go to QGIS, go to Plugins, Manage and Install Plugins, and look for Q.